outside, but it's definitely worth it. We had to like eat lunch and stop at some breaks, but here we already made a hammock in the tent, and there's a lot of like plants and things, and it's good so far. And tomorrow, one of our friends will be coming, so we can spend time together. It's gonna be so much fun, like playing and roasting marshmallows and camping. Oh! Now we're playing at the river in the Big Sur next to our campsite. There's a lot of rocks, so it can be like floor and lava. And there's some strong currents, so you try to walk up the hill, walk up the strong currents as a challenge. And that's why my hands are all wet, literally. Ted even fell down once, so a little bit of his bottom shirt is wet too. We're also trying to catch fish, but we can't get any fish. Playing in the river, and we also changed our clothes, and then my dad's about to make the fire, and then we might eat also dinner a little bit later. We walked around like the whole Big Sur campsite stuff, and then we came back, and now we're roasting marshmallows. So I made a rare golden crust, and then it's crunchy, that means, and then I made my s'more. And now I'm about to eat it. Marshmallows, yummy. This is gooey. Mine ready? Yes. Really, it's ready? Actually, you can do a little more. So yummy. Mine is so mushy. That means you probably won't get good. Really? Oh, you're probably. I am? Yeah. Now that we finished roasting our s'mores and like getting prepared for like sleeping, we finished. We are going to sleep now. So this is our tent, and this is our sleeping bags, and we're both dressed up as Santa Claus. And we're going outside to see stars and just do fire and stuff. Yeah. So this is our sleeping bag. It looks like a moose. And my mom put me two hot hands, and they're super warm, and they do 18-hour per day. They last that long. And they're super warm. And this is how a hot ham looks like. It's really warm here. There's 2 in my bed and same as my brother. It's the next day and we finished eating our breakfast and lunch, and now it's in the afternoon. We are going hiking, and we're gonna also play at the river. So we're walking right now. We just started on the trail. There's a river over there. We only walked a little bit, and there's still the river because we go hiking with the river, and there's big trees. We are almost done walking, and we walked through like a lot of the campsites in the Big Sur campground, but this one that has like a kind of like a cabin, I guess, but there's only beds inside, so there's like a double bed and one big bed, and it's pretty warm inside, and we might get it next time. And then we just need to go a little bit more. There's all these trees and all the plants. Now that we finished like walking and like hiking, we get to play in the river. And this is the river we're playing at, and it's kind of cold, and there's a lot of rocks, and we forgot our water shoes, so it's also hurt, but it's pretty fun. Brother Ted is gonna play in the river next to our campsite, and I might sleep in the hammock we made. And a little bit later, our friends are gonna come, so I think I'm gonna be looking forward to that. Not we, but a different person caught like a lobster or a crab or something for us. It's cool, except you can't really hold it because, oh there. It's super big. Looks cool too. We're gonna look for even more, but this is our first one. Oh. 또 잡았어? Who? Another guy. You got it by yourself? We just caught another one. Where's you gonna? This one has only one claw. So, yeah. Go into the water and see what happens
나봐.
with him. Still moves. Tried to go at the Pfeiffer beach yesterday, but there's too much people, so we couldn't. And now we're actually at it. It's our second time, and it's cold today and foggy, but it's fun playing. Hey guys, come on, let's see over also played other stuff, and we also hiked a little bit, and then we're now have to leave. It's not I want to stay, but like school and stuff, so we need to go. But it was still a good trip because we play in the river and hike and have fun and play with their friends. And I hope we can come to Pfeiffer, Big Sur State Park again.